दीपक कब पढ़ता है? When does दीपक study? When does दीपक study? तुम्हारी किस्मत तुम्हारे हाथ में है। Your fate is in your hand. Your fate is in your hand. तुम वापस क्यों आए हो? Why have you come back? Why have you come back? वह पूरे दिन टीवी में घुसा रहता है। He is engaged on TV throughout the day. He is engaged on TV throughout the day. यह मेरी घड़ी है। This is my watch. This is my watch. कितने सूट खरीद लिए? How many suits did you buy? How many suits did you buy? मुझे एक तकिया चाहिए। I need a pillow. I need a pillow. मैंने कंप्यूटर में ये फोटो देखी। I saw this photograph in computer. I saw this photograph in computer. जो हो गया सो हो गया। What is done is done. What is done is done. मैं आज शाम को आपसे मिलूंगा। I will see you this evening. I will see you this evening. अपनी आंखें खराब मत करो। Do not spoil your eyes. Do not spoil your eyes. अपना चेहरा दोबारा कभी मत दिखाना। Never show your face again. Never show your face again. मैं उनके बाद पहुंचा। I reached after them. I reached after them. ठंडी ठंडी हवा चल रही है। Cool breeze is blowing. A cool breeze is blowing. यह काम करना कोई बच्चों का खेल नहीं है। Doing this work is not child's play. Doing this work is not child's play. ये मेरे लिए बड़ी बात है। It's a big deal for me. It's a big deal for me. उस लड़के ने ये तुम्हारे लिए किया। That boy did it for you. That boy did it for you. तुम्हें वहां पहुंचने में कितना वक्त लगेगा? How long will you take to reach there? How long will you take to reach there? मुझे अखबार देना जरा। Please get me the newspaper. Please get me the newspaper. गाड़ी वक्त पर आ गई। The train came on time. The train came on time. वह बड़ा पत्थर दिल है। He is a hard-hearted person. He is a hard-hearted person. यह तो सचमुच अच्छी खबर है। This is indeed good news. This is indeed good news. वो मेरे कमरे में जा रहा है। He is going into the room. He is going into the room. इसे अंग्रेजी में क्या कहते हैं? What do we call this in English? What do we call this in English? इम्तहान मेरे सिर पर सवार है। The examination is on my head. The examination is on my head. मेरे रास्ते से हट जाओ। Move out of my way. Move out of my way. वो अजीब बातें करता है। He talks strange. He talks strange. उसके इरादे सही नहीं है। His intentions are not good. His intentions are not good. घर सजा हुआ था। The house was decorated. The house was decorated. तुम उससे पार नहीं पाओगे। You will not be able to deal with him. You will not be able to deal with him. मेरे लिए एक रिश्ता आया है। There is a marriage proposal for me. There is a marriage proposal for me. आपकी घड़ी में कितने बजे हैं? What's the time by your watch? What's the time by your watch? मेरा दिल बाग बाग हो गया। I was overjoyed. I was overjoyed. आप क्या करते हैं? What do you do? What do you do? मुझे रात भर नींद क्यों नहीं आई? Why couldn't I sleep all night? Why couldn't I sleep all night? यह तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी। This dictatorship will not do. This dictatorship will not do. उसे कुछ कम खाना चाहिए। He should eat a little less. He should eat a little less. समय की नजाकत को समझो। Understand the delicacy of time. Understand the delicacy of time. मुझे चक्कर आ रहे हैं। I'm feeling dizzy. I'm feeling dizzy. मेरा मोबाइल नहीं मिल रहा है। I can't find my mobile. I can't find my mobile. तुम उनसे खुद ही पूछ लो ना। I suggest you ask them yourself. I suggest you ask them yourself. तुमने रानी को कब देखा? When did you see रानी? When did you see रानी? कपड़ों को अलमेरा से बाहर निकालो। Take the clothes out of the almirah. Take the clothes out of the almirah. तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? तुम्हारा शक किस पर है? Whom do you suspect? Whom do you suspect? मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ। Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. जल्दी करो वरना गाड़ी छूट जाएंगी। Hurry up otherwise you will miss the train. Hurry up otherwise you will miss the train. मैंने उसे चाय पर बुलाया। I invited him to tea. I invited him to tea. तुमने मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me earlier? Why didn't you tell me earlier? यह दुख की बात है। It is a matter of sorrow. It is a matter of sorrow. मैं उन्हें क्या बताता? What could I tell them? What could I tell them? एक दिन में कितनी चाय पीते हो? How much tea do you drink in a day? How much tea do you drink in a day? वह घबराया सा लगता है। He looks rather nervous. He looks rather nervous. आपका जवाब नहीं। You have no match. You have no match. उगते सूरज को सब नमस्कार करते हैं। All worship the rising sun. All worship the rising sun. दोबारा कब मिलेंगे? When will we meet again? When will we meet again? इसमें खास क्या बात है? What's so special in it? What's so special in it? मैं आपसे बहुत खुश हूँ। I'm very happy with you. I'm very happy with you. मैं इसे ठीक करवाऊंगा। I will get it repaired. I will get it repaired. कॉफी को कप में डालो। Pour the coffee into the cup. Pour the coffee into the cup. मेरी माँ को खाना बनाना है। My mother has to cook the food. My mother has to cook the food. मेरी इज्जत दाव पर लगी है। My honor is at stake. My honor is at stake. उसने मेरा सिर नीचा कर दिया। He has brought me to shame. He has brought me to shame. वह अपने आप को कुछ समझता है। He gives himself airs. He gives himself airs. इस बात को अपने तक ही रखना। Keep it up to yourself. Keep it up to yourself. मैं तब से पढ़ रहा हूँ। I have been studying since then. I have been studying since then. यह तो होना ही था। It was bound to happen. It was bound to happen. हम मर मिटेंगे पर झुकेंगे नहीं. We will break but not bend. We will break but not bend. तुम्हारा साथ कौन देगा? Who will cooperate with you? Who will cooperate with you? परीक्षा सोमवार से शुरू होगी. The examination will start on Monday. The examination will start on Monday. जा सकते हो तो जाओ. Go if you can. Go if you can. यह ट्रीट मेरी तरफ से. This treat is on me. This treat is on me. आप किस चीज से परेशान हैं? What are you upset about? What are you upset about? इससे आपकी आंखें खराब होती है. It spoils your eyes. It spoils your eyes. सड़कें बारिश के पानी से भरी हुई है. Roads are filled with rainy water. Roads are filled with rainy water. आपने ये पुस्तक कहाँ से ली? Where did you take this book from? Where did you take this book from? हम इसी लायक थे. We deserved it. We deserved it. वह नाक से बोलता है. He has a nasal accent. He has a nasal accent. समझदार को इशारा ही काफी है. A word to wise is enough. A word to wise is enough. कितना दान चाहिए तुम्हें? How much donation do you want? How much donation do you want? तुम किस कॉलेज में पढ़ते हो? In which college do you study? In which college do you study? मैं पढ़ाई के लिए दिल्ली जा रहा हूँ. I'm going to Delhi for study. I'm going to Delhi for study. क्या तुमने बुलाया उन्हें यहाँ? Did you call them here? Did you call them here? मैं पूरा प्रयास करूँगा. I will try my level best. I will try my level best. मुझे किसी के द्वारा रोका गया. I was stopped by someone. I was stopped by someone. तुम अपने आप को क्या समझते हो? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? पत्ते पेड़ से गिर रहे हैं. Leaves are falling off the tree. Leaves are falling off the tree. ये दवा खाली पेट लेना. Take this medicine on empty stomach. Take this medicine on empty stomach. मैंने यह बात नहीं कही. I didn't make this remark. I didn't make this remark. मुझे उससे शिकायत है. I have a grievance. I have a grievance. कपड़े में सिकुड़न पड़ गई. A crease is formed on the cloth. A crease is formed on the cloth. किताब हाथों हाथ बिक गई. The book sold like hotcakes. The book sold like hotcakes. टेबल से कप हटा दो. Move the cup off the table. Move the cup off the table. उसने मेरी अच्छाई का फायदा उठाया. He took advantage of my goodwill. He took advantage of my goodwill. उसकी किस्मत ने पलटा खाया. His luck took a turn. His luck took a turn. यह आपको शोभा नहीं देता. This doesn't behove you. This doesn't behove you. मैंने आपसे कभी कुछ नहीं कहा. I never said anything to you. I never said anything to you. यह गलती दोबारा नहीं होनी चाहिए. This mistake should not be happened again. This mistake should not be happened again. आपको कष्ट हुआ उसके लिए क्षमा करें. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. वो दोपहर की फ्लाइट से आ रहा है। He is coming by noon flight. He is coming by noon flight. इसके दिमाग में कुछ है। There is something in his mind. There is something in his mind. आगे रोड कैसी है? How is the road ahead? How is the road ahead? खाते वक्त अपना मुंह बंद करो। Shut the mouth while eating. Shut the mouth while eating. वह यहाँ तुम्हारे लिए आया था। He had come here for you. He had come here for you. आज घुमस बहुत ज्यादा है। It's very humid today. It's very humid today. मैं बाइक से जिम जा रहा था। I was going to gym by bike. I was going to gym by bike. तुम्हारा साथ देने के लिए चाय पी रहा हूँ। I'm taking tea just to keep you company. I'm taking tea just to keep you company. कहाँ से मिला यह तुम्हें? Where did you get it from? Where did you get it from? हम लोग फर्स्ट क्लास में सफर नहीं करते। We do not travel first class. We do not travel first class. बाकी सब ठीक है। Rest everything is fine. Rest everything is fine. वह अपने व्यवहार से शर्मिंदा है। He is ashamed of his behavior. He is ashamed of his behavior. हो सकता है कि वह दिल्ली में हो। He might be in Delhi. He might be in Delhi. वह हमेशा के लिए जा रहा है। He is living forever. He is living forever. वह बस मुझे चिढ़ा रहा है। He is just teasing me. He is just teasing me. यह सब तुम्हारी गलती है। This is all your fault. This is all your fault. आप मेरे सब कुछ हो। You are everything to me. You are everything to me. यह आपके लिए अच्छा होगा। It will be better for you. It will be better for you. मैं उसे बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता। I can't tolerate this. I can't tolerate this. वह उलझन में दिख रहा था। He looked puzzled. He looked puzzled. कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक? How did you find my joke? How did you find my joke? मेरी सांस फूल गई। I run out of breath. I run out of breath. मेरी आंखें कमजोर है। I am weak of sight. I am weak of sight. यही तो मेरी खासियत है। This is only my speciality. This is only my speciality. सोचकर बताता हूँ। I will tell you after thinking. I will tell you after thinking. मैं यह क्यों कर रहा हूँ? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? उसने ही खाया था। It was him who had eaten. It was him who had eaten. उसकी बातों में मत आना। Don't get into his words. Don't get into his words. मेरा कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है। I don't feel like doing anything. I don't feel like doing anything. तुमसे ना हो पाएगा। You won't be able to do. You won't be able to do. तुम दिमाग से पैदल हो। You are off with the mind. You are off with the mind. अगर ऐसे ही चलता रहा तो वो तुम्हें छोड़ देंगी। If this goes on, she will leave you. If this goes on, she will leave you. उसने अभी तुम्हारे घर का रास्ता देखा ही कहाँ है? He has not seen the way to your house yet. He has not seen the way to your house yet. बाद में मत कहना कि तुमने मुझे बुलाया नहीं. Don't say later that you didn't call me. Don't say later that you didn't call me. देर से ही सही पर कम से कम रिप्लाई तो करो. It's okay even if late, but at least reply me. It's okay even if late, but at least reply me. तुम मुझे नहीं समझोगे तो और कौन समझेगा? If you don't understand me, who else will? If you don't understand me, who else will?